couple of weeks ago, Emirates introduced their brand new Premium Economy. This is a totally new product for the airline and is currently only installed on one A380. To make matters interesting, it's next to impossible to book, but today I'm going to review it. Let me show you how I managed to get on board this product, how I booked it, and most importantly, what do I think to it. Hey there guys, what is up, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 2 today, where we're going to be flying on Emirates' brand new A380 over to Dubai. And when I say new, I mean literally a couple of weeks old. At a time where airlines are cutting back, to see a brand new aircraft delivered along with a totally new product is really exciting to see. So you may be wondering what the airports are like at the moment during lockdown in the UK. And quite frankly, there's a lot of the shops are closed, although you still have duty-free open. There's a Leon over there, and that's pretty much it. Emirates usually depart London Heathrow from Terminal 3 with boarding direct from the lounge. As we're in Terminal 2 today, it's quite a walk to the B gates, which the A380s have to use. Perfect, thanks very much. Ready to get on board down the jet bridge. I always find it mental boarding an A380. I think there's maybe 3 jet bridges. Welcome on board, guys. Wow. Hang on, that's business class. Yes, more on this shortly. Don't worry, we'll be heading down to Premium Economy just after takeoff. And welcome to ICE. And I even have Andy Peters on my flight today.
Hey, see what he did there?
As usual on Emirates, there's a tail camera, which is one of my favourite ways to watch takeoff. I think it's time we go check out this new product then. As business class is upstairs, we need to go down to economy and walk to the front of the plane. Now we're going to have a look at what it is like to fly on Emirates Premium Economy. This is the new Premium Economy cabin. It's got roughly 50 seats on board and it's only operated at the moment on one of their planes. Let's have a look around. So as you can see, it's in a configuration of 2-4-2. My first impressions are, I love it. The colour schemes and initial look and feel of the cabin are high end, especially after walking through economy. It feels like a significant upgrade. It's good to see the marketing photos and videos are actually spot on. But let's not get too carried away. It may look good, but so does Turkish.
Oh no, he didn't.
You have the staircase that then leads up there into first class. You've got the showers. Yes, believe it or not, this plane does actually have showers on it. I know it's utterly crazy to think, but alas, only in first class. The shower spa's there and there, and I assume up there is where the captain sits, where we're not allowed. Let's try out some of the seats, shall we? So, we're going to go over to a window. As you can see, personal in-flight entertainment. It's more like an iPad, to be honest. I've been trying to work out exactly what this is. Is it like some kind of webcam? Leg room is pretty good. It's pretty good. I thought the manual seat controls to both recline the seat and open the footrest were quite unclear upon initial glance. You really have to shove them in to recline, and you also get this nifty little footrest. So, what is it actually like? How comfortable is it? I'm sure you were all wondering. Just trying to get comfortable. Now, I've tried Virgin's Premium, British Airways' Premium, and I have to say, it is very comfortable. It's evident that Emirates have spent an awful lot of money and time getting this right. There's even things you'd usually only get in business or first, such as these awesome auto window blinds. Now, of course, the actual product itself, you get obviously storage. I feel like my feet feel a little bit trapped here, but if you're leaning back, there's still ample room. Of course, I assume the tray table, yep, the tray table comes out like so, folds out like there. Obviously it still provides a good, you see it goes backwards and forwards to allow for comfortable eating, but also obviously it's reclined, you can still have your dinner as well. Of course, the one thing with it still being economy, well, premium economy, is what it's like if the person fully reclines their seat in front. I think we all know that feeling. You're just in the middle of a good movie, and then the screen gets thrown into your face. When the person in front has got their seat fully reclined, it's going to create a little bit of a difficulty to get out. Oh, goodness me. What I mean here is if you're sitting in the window seat, you literally cannot get out if both people in front have their seats back. So that's the window seats, but how about the middle? 4 across does look a little tight if I'm honest. Well, lockdown hasn't exactly been good on my weight, so let's try it out. So really, you're going to want to be a bit careful not to come and get stuck in the middle, because if you had somebody sat there, seats back, you'd be completely pinned in. So if you're travelling on your own, I'd suggest an aisle seat for both the windows and the middle. There is one more option that would make the middle quite attractive. If you were to get a bulkhead seat, which is just here. You may be wondering why there's only 2 TVs. Don't worry, you still get one. In fact, they actually flip out from the seats themselves. Okay, how can I try this? At the moment, Emirates don't sell this ticket. This is something that you cannot buy. You can get upgraded if you're a Skywards member or flying as a fully flex ticket. This still doesn't guarantee it though. In fact, as you've seen, this whole cabin is empty today. On lighter loads, it doesn't make sense to open this. I'll explain exactly what I did in just a second. So guys, what do you think? Do you like it? Because personally, I'm very impressed. It's a brand new product that's been launched in the pandemic that we're in at the moment. It's incredibly rare usually to get a new product, so to have it under these circumstances, would you fly this? Let me know in the comments below. It's also worth noting that currently you get the same service as economy, so at present it's only really a nicer seat. Rumour has it these won't be rolling out properly for about another year, until at least more than one aircraft has it. As I have my breakfast back in business class, I'm able to let my premium economy experience sink in. It really makes sense why Emirates has introduced this. It fits the gap between the couple of grand business tickets and the bargain economy tickets. I can't wait to see what soft product will be rolled out to complement it, so I guess it's watch this space. So how did I book it? I booked a miles ticket, buying the Skywards in the sale earlier this year. It cost me around £600 including taxes. I did this because I didn't want to book the 550 one-way economy fully flex ticket, which may not have got me upgraded. Overall, I do really like it. The quality of the finishings are certainly up there as the very best. For now, we have to wait until the soft product is rolled out. I suspect it will include enhanced menus, blankets and dedicated FAs for the cabin, but time will tell. Oh wait, before you go, if you enjoyed this, I have a ton of other Emirates reviews on the channel, including their A380 business class, first class and infamous game changer product. Okay, enough from me. Thanks very much for watching and I'll see you all again next week.